All right, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for a video. So I know it has been a long time since we had a video on the Type R. Well, today I figured I'd take you guys along with me. As many of you all know, I'm getting my car tuned by the FK8 Clinic, and today we are finally going to be utilizing the Flex Fuel kit that we put on. So we're going to be putting 3 gallons of E85 in. I'm pretty sure we probably have 90-95%. Even maybe 100% by now, done with the 93 octane tune. So he told me to go ahead and he said, hey, let's start adding in some E85. So I'm gonna add 3 gallons of E85, and then I figured I'd take you guys along with me to get some data so we can send it back to him. And plus, it's been a while since I made some Type R content, and I am not gonna lie, I have no excuse, just been lazy, no motivation. So yeah, here we are, let's get after it. Let's get, hopefully I don't make an entire complete mess in my garage trying to put this E85 in. So yep, as you can see, we don't have E85 locally here, so I bought 10 gallons of it. There's a guy who actually sells it. He goes into Alabama, brings back a couple 100 gallons, and then brings it back and sells it to the town. So let's try this out. Oh, please turn out good. I really don't want to get this shit all over the fucking car. Hey, so far so good. Hey, not bad. The only thing is I gotta be able to look and see when I've got 3 gallons of this, or 2 gallons left. She's flowing pretty good too. I'll take it out here in a second, see how many we got left. Oh wow. Oh wow, that was a lot easier than what I thought it was gonna be. Okay, so. Alright, so we got about 1 more gallon to pour in and we'll be filled up with 3 gallons of E85. Alrighty, we are completely full with 3 gallons of E85. We may just be just a touch over. So, with that being said, we're gonna hop in the car and I'm gonna try a POV style, filming. And yeah, let's go rip on the Type R and get some data for the FK8 Clinic so we can see what this thing is doing. One more thing. Do we have any serious people that want to buy my PRL catless downpipe that was on the R before I switched to the AW1? This thing probably has less than 500 miles on it. Everybody says they wanted to buy it, and then when it comes time for shipping and stuff, nobody wants to pay for shipping. So if you're interested, send me a DM on Instagram. Let's work things out. This thing's been in my garage for way too long, over like a month or two. Let's get it going. 88 degrees here in Florida. All right, so I'm excited to see how this car is going to feel with a little bit of corn fuel in it, baby. Like I said, we got about 3 gallons of E85. We are just right on the cusp of having a complete full tank. And I'll switch to the POV cam once I get to the back roads where we can really rip on this thing. So, but yeah, man, sorry I haven't been making a lot of R content and posting on social media and stuff. Like I said, I just got in this rut where I was just, lack of motivation wasn't there, or just didn't care. But everybody was messaging me, asking me, hey, when's the next video? We're gonna get some more Type R content. Some people even reached out and asked me if I was like okay, like mentally, and yeah, I'm fine. I just the lack of motivation wasn't there. So I appreciate you all who reached out. Yeah, so today's video may be a little bit longer than normal, just because we got to get to the spot, do a couple pulls, and see how this thing does. Now, the only other car that I've ever had tuned on E85 was my Focus ST. It was stage 3, tuned by JSC Performance, pretty much in Atlanta. Good. He's a big road course guy. And let me tell you, when you put corn fuel in that car, that motor loves it. And I think it made probably, man, I want to say it may even be more, an extra 40, 50 horse when you switch to the ethanol tune, or not straight ethanol, but the E30 E40 blend, and that car was a blast to drive. So I'm excited to get my tune dialed in with the FK8 Clinic, and hopefully one day I can drive down to FK8's Clinic's spot. I really want to check out his Type R that he's got fully built motor in. Thing's awesome, and it's a beautiful boost blue. I've never seen one in person. Still, I hope everybody's having a great start to their summer. It is absolutely freaking hot here, and of course, you know, with me living at the beach, all the family members want to come stay at the beach house, which is cool. I love my family. We got some family coming in town the next few weekends, so gotta try to grind out some videos. Got some truck content coming. Obviously got a Type R video coming, and then I actually, if you made it this far, I've got a buddy who just bought a 2.0 Touring Accord, and you know, I had to convince him we got to get a PRL high volume intake on that thing. So that thing's actually getting delivered today, so I'm super excited. So we'll have some Accord content too. I can't wait to get his natural live reaction of him doing some pulls for the first time with that new intake. All right, so we are almost to the spot. I'm gonna switch to the head cam for the GoPro POV, and yeah, I'll catch up with y'all in just a second. Woo, boys, she is a spicy one. Wow, it just took all that boost really fast. I was not expecting that. That was a second gear, probably 3/4, almost wide open throttle pull, and I'm really surprised that we didn't spin, you know, more than what we did. Wow, that was impressive. That was extremely fun. Holy crap. We definitely got to do that again. Let's get through this red light and I'll start this back. Kind of speechless. My adrenaline's kind of going, actually, to be honest with you. Boy, that's fun. Can't wait to get to the spot where we can really launch this thing. Hopefully, this is my first time using an external mic with the GoPro. I hope this audio is not freaking just completely crap the bed on me. I hope not. But I'm gonna be honest with you, my first reaction is just those first little first pull and the second pull. Yeah, that was very impressive. So let's get down the road and get to this side road, and we'll do some launches and see if we can get some good data, and yeah, see how this thing pulls. All right, here we go. The spot right here. This is the best spot to datalog right here. See this thing. She is a spicy, man. I don't think I've ever seen my car do, that was 30, I don't know, I think that was 31 pounds of boost. That was nice. That was very nice. And watch, for some reason, me not have the Honda datalogging. It says it's datalogging, so we shall see. That was a lot of fun. Oh my God, this car is so much more fun to drive on this tune. Wow, that is so... fun so much. I'm speechless at absolutely how much fun I'm having with this car being on ethanol, and we're not even dialed in on the tune for the E. Oh wow, that is so much fun. I do get a little nervous going wide open throttle, being that this is our first revision on the E85 tune, but God, this is so much fun. I cannot wait to shoot him a message and let him know that this thing's pulling super hard. It's pulling harder than it's ever pulled, period. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Do a little second gear wide open throttle. She's gonna spin, boys. Oh no, she didn't. I think I just fell in love all over again. Now, of course, one of the things we do need to work on, boys, is the launching this thing. I really haven't figured out the best way to launch this thing without just, I don't know, it just seems like I haven't found that sweet spot yet. And thankfully, I've only ever had that second gear lockout like one time. That's it, one time. And ever since then, it's always been fantastic. So thank you for being good to me. Oh, we should probably put it in gear. And if you're wondering where I'm at, this is like leads to some kind of like, how do I explain it? It's like some kind of Indian preservation, something. I don't really know. It says there's a campground back there. I'm sure this car is loud and it is carrying. Alrighty. That's so much fun. So we'll just do, let's try to get like a 40 roll and see what happens. We'll do a 40 roll, third gear, wide open throttle. Speechless, no words. God, this thing is so much fun. I'm not looking forward to the amount of brake dust that I'm probably about to have. That was fun. I think that was the first or second time I've ever done fourth gear redline. I think redline for this is, we got it set at 72, maybe 7,300 RPMs. I don't really remember. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully this POV style comes out a lot better. If you guys like this style a lot more, please let me know. I've never really had the I have an older GoPro, so I don't know how the quality is going to be, man. This is a Hero 4 Black Edition, so hopefully the quality is still there. Let's get around this turn real quick and we'll get us the third gear wide open throttle pull. Yes sir, here we go. God, that is so much fun. Can't beat it, man. Just can't beat it. So much fun. Wow. Man, I wish we had E85 like readily available everywhere around here. I think third gear, I think we're doing boost by gear here. It looks like third gear is only hitting about 18, 19 pounds of boost. So I'm sure he knows, I'm sure he's got it set up to where we're not max boosting in third gear and potentially, you know, damaging something. So that was an incredibly insane amount of fun. Damn. All right, so I'm gonna switch over, obviously, from the POV to this bad boy, my nice little bread and butter camera. And 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. We are done with getting some data for the FK8 Clinic. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. It was extremely fun one to make, and I've never really done the POV setup on the GoPro, and I had an external mic on the GoPro because the Hero 4 straight from the factory mic is booty. It's not good. Yeah, so I'm excited to get this data over to him and see what he says. This thing pulls like a freaking monster. I'm gonna have to ask him about third gear. It really seems like this thing is cutting up somewhere. And I don't know if that's because the boost it's ramping up and ramping back and ramping up, but it almost feels like it's, I don't know, something seems a little off. You guys need to comment down below and let me know what you think I'm gonna make. I'm gonna do a dyno day, and I'm gonna see how much power I make on 93 octane, just straight 93 octane. And then I'll bring, 5 gallons of E85. Comment down below what you think my numbers are going to be for the 93 octane tune and then the E30 blend. Once we get everything 100% dialed in with the 93 and the E30 blend, the flex fuel tune, we're going to go to the dyno. I'm going to rent it out for 2 or 3 hours, and maybe, hopefully, fingers crossed, I can get there and we can do some live data logging with Kefi. And he can make adjustments right there, since we'll be able to. Okay, yeah. Why I'm going 70 something? Why are you already tailgating me? Anyways, so yeah, hopefully we can get on the rollers and do some live tuning, and he can tune the car while I'm on the rollers. Let me tell you, dyno time is freaking expensive. I think it's gonna cost me like $500 something for 3 hours or something, maybe 4 hours. I don't know. I think it's like maybe $100 an hour. I don't know. It's insanely expensive. But I want to get true numbers and not like street numbers or butt dyno numbers. But I can tell you the difference between the 93 tune from the FK8 Clinic and his flex fuel tune. Wow. I thought the 93 tune was a blast to drive on and it pulls hard, but man, does that flex fuel tune. That was awesome. Like, I just turned into a little kid again, getting all giggity, and adrenaline was going. I was like, oh man, yeah, it was awesome. Yeah, that was great. That was a lot of fun. Good work, Kefi. Hopefully I'm saying your name right. I said Kefi to start with. I think it's Kefi. He'll shoot me a message and be like, hey, that was wrong. Yeah. So anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and somebody needs to buy my PRL catless downpipe with less than 500 miles on it, I think. I've got a K-Tuner V2 for sale. I got a lot of stuff for sale. I just, like I said, man, no motivation, been lazy, spending time with my family, etc. You know how like we all get in those ruts, but it's time to get back to grinding out some content. Whether you like it or not, I do have content for my Duramax and the ambulance. So if you guys are true supporters, you love my content, you'll support me on those videos as well as leaving likes on those and commenting, etc. Anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. Like I said, if you like this POV style type stuff, or just in general, me talking to the camera and driving versus me doing like a step-by-step install video, let me know. I got to find a medium somewhere. I can't do install videos for the rest of my life. I don't think I'll ever make any money off this stuff. But anyways, thank you all so much for supporting. I think at this moment we're like 18,000 subscribers, close to 20,000, and that's the goal that I wanted to have done by summertime. So thank you all so much. I'm gonna shut up, quit talking, go to the house, go relax by the pool, and edit some footage. Peace.